I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular storage bags and moving bag solutions, so you don't have to, and you can pick which one is best for you. I tested both of these. These are great for Christmas decorations, clothing. This is all my summer clothing right over here. I'm going to show you how they fit in here, how much space is left. These are very, very similar, but there are some big differences that would probably make one a better fit for you. And I'm going to cover all that for you. I've tested a lot of these different bags, and these are kind of my favorites. There's another one that's my favorite too, but we'll get into that in another video. This one right over here is going to be the RMOHRO, and this guy right over here is going to be our ClearSpace one. We're going to start with this one right over here. These bags do come in different pack sizes. I got the 6-pack for both of them, and they do come in different colors and styles, so that's it for you. So this is the Ramon one right over here. You get a 6-pack. That's what I got. This is what they look like. They do fold down once you are done with them. So if you're no longer using them, you can fold them down. Now, these are great for, kids' toys, dog clothes. Our dog has a ton of clothes for every season. So this is great for that as well as Christmas decorations. You get a nice little, this is what it looks like on the inside. We have the handle right over here. This could be thrown right over your shoulder, just like that. This does zip all the way down. We'll get into that in a second. And then we do have this clear pocket right over here. So, and it does come with a bunch of papers right over here. So you could either color code or you could write on these. I don't really do either. But that is kind of how we do that. Sometimes we do the color code actually. We don't write on them. Like red is for Christmas, stuff like that. So we know what's inside. All right, so let's see. This is 75 pieces of clothing right over here. And we're gonna see what this looks like in here. Now for this, you have the 2 zippers right over here, a nice zipper, a nice strong zipper, and we do have this pull right over here. What I like to do with this is load back to front. I do like that this comes down so you can get in there. You don't have to lift up. I'm not going to fold this stuff nicely to save time. But this is kind of 75 pieces. There's shorts, there's t-shirts, there's polo shirts, regular t-shirts, bathing suits, all this stuff. And you can see right over here, it's just going in like this. Now, there's still all this stuff here, don't worry. One thing I do like to do with this is kind of pull this up just a tad. It's not necessary at all. It just makes it easier to zip at the end. You could totally not do that. That's just what I found using these bags right over here. This is a very nice size. Again, about 75 pieces of clothing. If you did this the right way and folded it down, there is still more room in here to fit stuff in there. And then you could just fold this all the way up. You'll see there, the zipper did not give any resistance. It literally just zips closed, which means you got a strong zipper. You could go in the middle here if you wanted to, and now we are good to go. To just pop that right over just like that. Again, you're gonna get a 6-pack here, and you're good to go. Super sturdy, water resistant bags. No wheels on this. These straps aren't adjustable. They're not adjustable on the other ones. Let's take up the other ones real quick, and then we'll kind of do the head to head. So these are going to be the clear space bags right over here. Obviously, because they are clear. They do have a pocket here if you wanted to kind of put a little note card or a Post-it or whatever. For this one, they're a little different. We have the handle right over here. We also have handles on top, so we could go over the shoulder. So let's get the clothing in here. You'll see what that looks like, and then we will go head to head, and I'll tell you which would be kind of the best for each situation. For this one here, you could load them this way if you wanted to, or you could do up top. So the zipper does not go all the way down on this one as it does with this one. So I'm just gonna do it like this real quick because it's just gonna be quicker to do it this way than putting it up top. And now again, if you fold them and do all that stuff, no problem. It's much, much easier. And I do kind of like this. You could get the idea if you're doing just random stuff or just throwing toys in here. You can literally just put this on the floor and scoop everything into it. Like kind of you just did it down like that. This does take like a square space. This is going to be like great for dorm stuff, if you're taking stuff to your dorm, or just easy. I do like this instead of boxes because these are easy to stack. in a car as well, and you're not kind of defined by the dimensions of the box. So this is what this looks like right over here. I'm just gonna fold this down. Really easy. You can see more space in that one over there. This one is a little bit of a tighter fit. Obviously, if I folded this down, I would say in that one right over there, the RMOHRO one right over there, that could easily fit more stuff than this one right over here. This one, we need to get a little bit of the air out right over here to kind of get this one finished and zippered up and kind of good to go right over there. And you can, again, you can meet the zipper halfway if you wanted to. For this one right over here, you can put this over your shoulder. It's a little bit harder than the other one. We'll get into that in a second, but you also have the option to hold it here. Now, you can see through this one. Obviously, you can't see through this one. Let's get into the pros and the cons, or what might be the better fit for you. I would say this one right over here might be the better fit for you if you have more longer stuff that you want to put in here. This one could probably hold 100 pieces of clothing. This one is about 75. Obviously, it depends on what you have. This right here is a mix of t-shirts, bathing suits, shirts like this, collared shirts, and shorts. This one zips all the way down. So that's the biggest difference between the two of these. Obviously, big difference number two. This one is clear all the way through. This one is not. So if that's important to you, being able to see everything that is in here at a given shot, the ClearSpace one is probably going to be for you. For this one right over here, this one has the longer straps. So if you want something that you could put over the top and more comfortable, this will be the one for you. This has the longer straps. I would probably say this one has a little bit of a stronger zipper as well. The material on this one is probably a little thicker as well. Versus this one. But again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. These are water resistant as well. I would say another big difference is you have these handles on the side right over here. For the Tally one, you don't. You really just have the handles over here. So that's just something to note. And both of them do have this little ID pouch if you wanted to throw a card in there, letting you know what is in there. Again, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. I'd say if you're dead set on knowing exactly what is in each bag right over here, this is going to be for you. If you don't really care so much about that, you're more into the shoulder strap, this one will be for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you find the right storage bag for you, and thank you for watching.